Hey eggheads, did you peek in your fridge today? How many eggs do you see? Yep, we humans eat a lot of eggs. But did you know the most eggs laid by a chicken in a day is 7? No way, right? That's one busy bird. But the world record for the most eggs laid in a year is mind-blowing. A white leghorn hen holds this record, laying 371 eggs in just 364 days. Now let's talk about size. Ever heard of an elephant bird? Not exactly the Dumbo you'd expect. These titanic birds from Madagascar, now extinct, laid the most giant eggs we've ever found. One measured at 34 by 24 centimeters. They definitely make an egg-ceptional omelet. And lastly, as Easter approaches, ever think about chocolate eggs? Well, the largest ever chocolate Easter egg was over 34 feet tall and weighed almost 16,000 pounds. That's heavier than 2 elephants. So there you go, folks. The humble egg in all its incredible shell-shocking glory. Remember, every time you have your sunny side up or scramble, you're partaking in a bit of phenomenal bird biology.